In today's video, I'm going to teach you, Claude Skills explained, how to create reusable AI workflows. We'll walk through a simple, repeatable flow you can use anytime you want. Consistent results from an AI assistant. To keep things concrete, we'll use the example of generating a YouTube video description, but the same structure works for many tasks like emails, briefs, or product updates. First, open your browser and head to Google. Starting here helps you quickly find the official site and avoid lookalikes. In the search bar, type Claude AI. You should see results that clearly reference the official Claude website. Before you click, take a second to confirm you're heading to the legitimate domain. That small habit reduces mistakes and keeps your work secure. Click through to the Claude site to open a new chat. You'll land on a clean editor where you can write your prompt. This is where the reusable workflow begins. Type a clear instruction such as, write a YouTube video description. To make it dependable and reusable, add the key inputs you'll want to change each time. For example, specify the topic, target audience, tone, length, relevant keywords, and any call to action. The more you frame the task up front, the less back and forth you'll need later, and the easier it is to rerun the same structure for new videos. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Claude will generate a first draft. Give it a moment to think. Complex prompts may take a few seconds. Read the output and note what's strong and what's missing. A good reusable prompt asks for scannable structure, natural language, and alignment with your brand voice. If Claude asks for more information, fill in the needed details right in the chat. This could include the video title, a one-sentence summary, 3 to 5 key points the description should cover, desired length, and any must-include phrases. Keep these details organized and consistent so you can reuse them across projects. Many people keep a small text snippet with placeholders, like title, audience, and keywords, so they can paste it in and update it quickly. Once you've provided those details, click Submit again. Claude will refine the description based on your inputs. Review the result, make any minor edits you prefer, and you're done. You now have a repeatable workflow. Search, open Claude, use your structured prompt, provide details, and submit for a polished output. Save your prompt template somewhere handy, and you can recreate high-quality descriptions in just a few clicks anytime you need them.